Happiness is an elusive yet universally sought-after state of being. We all strive to be happy, to feel contentment and joy in our lives. However, life is unpredictable and filled with challenges that can often leave us feeling anything but happy. Despite these challenges, it is possible to cultivate happiness and maintain it, even in the face of adversity. This speech will explore 7 psychological tricks that can help you achieve happiness in any situation, providing practical techniques rooted in psychological principles to enhance your well-being. 1. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can significantly impact your happiness. It involves acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your life, no matter how small they may seem. Practicing gratitude regularly can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a sense of contentment and fulfillment. The science behind gratitude. Research in positive psychology has shown that gratitude is strongly correlated with increased happiness. When you practice gratitude, your brain releases dopamine and serotonin, 2 neurotransmitters that play a crucial role in regulating mood and feelings of well-being. This biological response reinforces the positive emotions associated with gratitude, making it easier to maintain a happy and optimistic outlook. How to practice gratitude. Gratitude journaling. Start by keeping a gratitude journal where you write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. These can be as simple as a beautiful sunset, a kind gesture from a friend, or a satisfying meal. Over time, this practice can rewire your brain to focus on the positive aspects of your life, leading to greater overall happiness. Gratitude meditation. Incorporate gratitude into your meditation practice by focusing on the things you appreciate in your life. As you meditate, visualize these things and allow yourself to feel a deep sense of gratitude. This practice can help you cultivate a lasting sense of happiness and contentment. Expressing gratitude. Don't keep your gratitude to yourself. Expressing it to others can deepen your relationships and increase your happiness. Write thank you notes, express your appreciation verbally, or perform acts of kindness to show your gratitude to those around you. 2. Reframe negative thoughts. Our thoughts have a profound impact on our emotions and overall well-being. Negative thinking patterns can lead to feelings of unhappiness, stress, and anxiety. However, by learning to reframe negative thoughts, you can change your perspective and create a more positive and happy mindset. The power of cognitive restructuring. Cognitive restructuring is a psychological technique that involves identifying and challenging negative thought patterns. By reframing these thoughts, you can alter your emotional response and reduce the impact of negative experiences on your happiness. This technique is commonly used in cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, to help individuals manage stress, anxiety, and depression. How to reframe negative thoughts. Identify negative thoughts. The first step is to become aware of your negative thoughts. Pay attention to the inner dialogue that occurs when you face challenges or setbacks. Common negative thoughts include, "I'm not good enough," "I always fail," or "this is hopeless." Challenge negative thoughts. Once you've identified a negative thought, challenge its validity. Ask yourself if the thought is based on facts or assumptions. Consider alternative explanations or perspectives that are more balanced and positive. Replace negative thoughts. After challenging the negative thought, replace it with a more positive or constructive one. For example, instead of thinking, "I'm a failure," you might reframe the thought as, "I'm learning and growing from this experience." This shift in perspective can reduce feelings of unhappiness and promote a more optimistic outlook. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness can help you become more aware of your thoughts and prevent you from getting caught up in negative thinking patterns. By practicing mindfulness, you can observe your thoughts without judgment and choose to focus on positive or neutral thoughts instead. 3. Cultivate positive relationships. Human beings are inherently social creatures, and our relationships with others play a crucial role in our happiness. Positive relationships provide emotional support, reduce stress, and contribute to a sense of belonging and purpose. By cultivating and maintaining healthy relationships, you can enhance your happiness and well-being. The importance of social connections. Research has consistently shown that strong social connections are linked to greater happiness and life satisfaction. Positive relationships provide a sense of security, love, and acceptance, which are essential for emotional well-being. Additionally, social support can buffer the effects of stress and adversity, helping you maintain happiness even in challenging situations. How to cultivate positive relationships. Invest in relationships. Take the time to nurture your relationships with family, friends, and loved ones. This can involve regular communication, spending quality time together, and offering support during difficult times. Building and maintaining strong relationships requires effort, but the rewards in terms of happiness are well worth it. Practice empathy and compassion. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others, while compassion involves a desire to help and support others. By practicing empathy and compassion in your relationships, you can create deeper connections and foster a sense of mutual respect and understanding. Set healthy boundaries. While positive relationships are important, it's also essential to set healthy boundaries to protect your own well-being. This means being able to say no when necessary, maintaining your autonomy, and ensuring that your relationships are balanced and mutually beneficial. Let go of toxic relationships. Not all relationships are positive, and some can be detrimental to your happiness. If you find that a relationship is consistently causing you stress, unhappiness, or harm, it may be necessary to distance yourself or let go of that relationship. Surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people can greatly enhance your happiness. 4. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Engaging in activities that you enjoy is a key component of happiness. These activities provide a sense of fulfillment, relaxation, and pleasure, all of which contribute to your overall well-being. By making time for activities that bring you joy, you can create a more balanced and happy life. The role of flow in happiness. Flow is a psychological state in which you are fully immersed and engaged in an activity. When you experience flow, you lose track of time and become completely absorbed in what you're doing. This state of deep focus and enjoyment is associated with increased happiness and life satisfaction. Activities that induce flow are typically those that challenge you just enough to keep you engaged, but not so much that they cause stress. How to engage in joyful activities. Identify your passions. Take the time to identify the activities that bring you the most joy and fulfillment. These could be hobbies, creative pursuits, physical activities, or social interactions. Once you've identified your passions, make them a regular part of your life. Create a balance. While it's important to engage in activities that bring you joy, it's also important to maintain a balance between work, responsibilities, and leisure. Make sure that you're not neglecting other areas of your life in pursuit of happiness. A balanced life is a key component of lasting happiness. Prioritize self-care. Self-care is essential for maintaining happiness and well-being. This includes taking time for yourself to relax, recharge, and engage in activities that you enjoy. Whether it's reading a book, taking a walk in nature, or spending time with loved ones, prioritize self-care as an important part of your routine. Set goals and challenges. Engaging in activities that challenge you and allow you to grow can also contribute to happiness. Setting goals and working towards them can provide a sense of purpose and accomplishment, leading to greater life satisfaction. 5. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, learning, and perseverance. This mindset contrasts with a fixed mindset, which is the belief that your abilities are static and unchangeable. Developing a growth mindset can lead to greater resilience, adaptability, and happiness, especially in the face of challenges. The benefits of a growth mindset. A growth mindset allows you to view challenges as opportunities for growth rather than threats to your self-worth. This perspective fosters a sense of curiosity and a willingness to take risks, both of which are essential for personal development and happiness. Additionally, a growth mindset can help you bounce back from setbacks and failures, as you see them as learning experiences rather than reflections of your abilities. How to develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges. Rather than avoiding challenges, seek them out as opportunities to learn and grow. When faced with a difficult situation, remind yourself that it's an opportunity to develop new skills and improve yourself. Learn from criticism. Feedback and criticism can be valuable tools for growth, but only if you're open to receiving them. Instead of taking criticism personally, view it as constructive feedback that can help you improve. Ask yourself what you can learn from the feedback and how you can apply it to future situations. Celebrate effort and progress. In a growth mindset, the focus is on effort and progress rather than just the end result. Celebrate the hard work and dedication you put into achieving your goals, even if you haven't reached the desired outcome yet. This focus on effort can help you maintain motivation and happiness, even when faced with setbacks. Cultivate a love of learning. A growth mindset is fueled by a love of learning and a desire to improve. Embrace lifelong learning by seeking out new knowledge, skills, and experiences. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or learning a new hobby, continuous learning can contribute to personal growth and happiness. 6. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness is the practice of being present and fully engaged in the current moment, without judgment. Meditation is a technique that can help you cultivate mindfulness and achieve a state of calm and relaxation. Both mindfulness and meditation have been shown to reduce stress, enhance well-being, and increase happiness. The science of mindfulness. Research has shown that mindfulness and meditation can lead to changes in the brain that promote emotional regulation, reduce stress, and increase feelings of happiness. When you practice mindfulness, you become more aware of your thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations, allowing you to respond to them in a more balanced and constructive way. This heightened awareness can lead to greater emotional resilience and a more positive outlook on life. How to practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindful breathing. One of the simplest ways to practice mindfulness is through mindful breathing. Take a few moments each day to focus on your breath as it flows in and out of your body. Pay attention to the sensation of the breath and the rhythm of your breathing. This practice can help you calm your mind and bring your focus to the present moment. Body scan meditation. The body scan is a mindfulness meditation technique that involves paying attention to different parts of your body, from your toes to your head. As you focus on each area, notice any sensations, tension, or discomfort. This practice can help you become more in tune with your body and release any physical or emotional tension. Mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying full attention to the experience of eating, including the taste, texture, and smell of your food. By eating mindfully, you can enhance your enjoyment of food and develop a healthier relationship with eating. Guided meditation. Guided meditation is a form of meditation in which you follow the instructions of a guide or teacher, either in person or through a recording. Guided meditations can help you focus on specific themes, such as relaxation, gratitude, or self-compassion, and can be a useful tool for beginners. 7. Focus on purpose and meaning. Having a sense of purpose and meaning in life is a key contributor to happiness. Purpose gives you a reason to get up in the morning and provides direction and motivation for your actions. When you have a clear sense of purpose, you are more likely to experience long-lasting happiness and fulfillment. The role of purpose in happiness. Research has shown that individuals who have a strong sense of purpose tend to be happier and more satisfied with their lives. Purpose provides a framework for setting and achieving goals, and it can help you navigate challenges and setbacks with resilience and determination. Additionally, having a sense of meaning in life can enhance your well-being and provide a sense of connection to something greater than yourself. How to cultivate purpose and meaning. Reflect on your values. Start by reflecting on your core values and what is most important to you in life. Consider how these values align with your goals, actions, and decisions. By living in accordance with your values, you can create a sense of purpose and meaning in your life. Set meaningful goals. Set goals that are aligned with your values and contribute to your sense of purpose. These goals should be challenging yet attainable, and they should provide a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction when achieved. Focus on both short-term and long-term goals that are meaningful to you. Contribute to something greater. One way to find purpose and meaning is by contributing to something greater than yourself. This could involve volunteering, helping others, or working towards a cause you're passionate about. Acts of kindness and service can enhance your sense of purpose and increase your happiness. Find purpose in everyday activities. Purpose doesn't have to come from grand or ambitious goals. You can find purpose in everyday activities by approaching them with intention and mindfulness. Whether it's your work, hobbies, or relationships, look for ways to infuse meaning into the tasks and interactions that make up your daily life. In conclusion, happiness is not a destination, but a journey that requires ongoing effort and practice. By incorporating these 7 psychological tricks into your life, you can cultivate a lasting sense of happiness and well-being, regardless of the circumstances you face. Remember that happiness is a choice, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can choose to be happy in any situation. Gratitude. Focus on what you have rather than what you lack. Reframing negative thoughts. Change your perspective to alter your emotions. Positive relationships. Nurture strong, supportive connections with others. Joyful activities. Engage in activities that bring you happiness. Growth mindset. Embrace challenges and learn from them. Mindfulness and meditation. Stay present and calm through mindfulness. Purpose and meaning. Find and live by your sense of purpose. These techniques, rooted in psychological principles, can help you navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. By practicing them consistently, you can create a more positive, fulfilling, and happy life.